What's up, everybody? This is Dev6 Rehab, and boy, do I have a treat for you today. Do you need a little pick-me-up? Are you kind of down in the dumps a little bit? Do you need some wind in your sails? Well, I got just the thing for you. I invented a new drink, and it's gonna be amazing. Come on, let's go try it out. Okay, so right here, we got all the good stuff. This is all the ingredients you need. You're gonna need some Red Bull, you need a Monster, and then you need yourself, you need a little shake cup to shake everything up, and then you need a can you see that? This is a 1 cup cup. It measures 1 cup. And then this is very important. You need these specific G Fuel. You need the PewDiePie G Fuel, and you need the Doodleberry G Fuel. And I'll tell you why in just a second. But right now, we're gonna get mixing, and it's gonna get wild. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to take your 1 cup measuring cup, and you need to measure out 1 cup of Red Bull. Now these measurements are very important, so you need to do exactly these measurements. So let's get our mixing cup over here. We got, it's actually kind of a lot of Red Bull. When you measure it out, oh boy. Okay, we got all that. Alright, now next we need 1 cup of Monster. I forgot to put this in the fridge, but that's okay. It didn't need to be in the fridge. It doesn't matter if it's cold. Oh boy, it's bubbling up. That means it's full of energy. Oh boy, it looks like soap. It looks like soap almost. Okay, we gotta pour that in. Alright, and then obviously we need a cup of water because we need to stay hydrated, so good old-fashioned H2O right out of the faucet, right out of the drinker. There we go, there's our 1 cup. Oh yeah, and that's full. Boy, that's real full. This is a 16 or 20 ounce, I don't know actually. It's a big shaker. So we'll go with that. Okay, let's put all these to the side. Alright, and this is why I was going to say why we need these two, because if you look in the ingredients, right here, the very first ingredient, pomegranate fruit extract. Right there, you can totally see that. Yep, right there, it's all good. And both of them have that. They're both, the first ingredient is pomegranate extract, and that's important because pomegranate is the most superfruit in the world and has the most antibiotics of anyone in the whole planet. So that's why I use these two. So you need a full, so we're gonna do a full scoop of these because we need those antioxidants. All right, full scoop. And then we're gonna feel just brandy. You know what I mean? Is that a saying? I'm gonna say that's a saying. We're gonna feel just brandy today. We're gonna have the wind in our sails. We're gonna have a pep in our step. Oh man, it's turning a funny green color, but that's okay. Oh man, I'm almost running out of this stuff. I need to buy more. I've been having so much of my super fueled energy drink. All right, and here we go. Oh, here's the lid. Oh, we got a shaker. We gotta shake her all up. You gotta shake. It's okay. Yeah, they're carbonated, but that's okay. They're gonna fuse together and turn into natural energy. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Now, that part is really important. Only take 1 drink of this. Okay? You gotta only take 1 drink of this. That's really important. And you might be asking yourself, hey, Dev6 Rehab, why you put so much stuff in here if you're only taking 1 drink? Well, that's simple. It's, So after you're done shaking it, we gotta shake more. You gotta shake more. Okay, and it's gonna pop up. It's gonna pop like really loud, like a shotgun. Boom! Wow, that is. See what I mean? Boy, that popped. That almost took my head off. Okay, and now here's the moment of truth. We're gonna take a drink, and then we're gonna feel like $1 million. Oh my God. A positive note to this is there's all kinds of flavor. There's a lot of flavor. Boy, do I feel good. Also, I feel like I'm gonna die. But that's just the raw natural energy coming over me. So, there you have it. There's the secret ingredient. All the secret ingredients to the best energy drink on the planet. It's science. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Ugh.